we talked about monster themes. And this is the reason why I started designing and building my own themes, with the whole impetus of keeping it simple. I use a tool called Artisteer, which is very cheap and effective to build simple themes. And generally, none of my themes are larger than about a quarter of a meg. It's a software package which runs on a Windows PC, sorry Apple lovers, and it creates WordPress themes. It will also do templates for other CMS systems as well. And it's only $50 or $130 if you want to do the other systems as well. Support is quite good, really is quite good. There's documentations and so on, forums. If you do have a problem, like with anything, you can just Google it. It can do responsive designs, and you use it to build a layout, how wide you want it to be, columns, the background behind the content, and a sheet in which all the content goes, what the content area looks like, the header, the footer, the layout of the widgets, and all colours and fonts. And yeah, I only use a very few colours and fonts. This is what the tool looks like on the desktop. And you can see the header, title bar, content area, sidebar with widgets. In this case, I've styled the sidebar widgets with curved edges around boxes. And a bit up there where you can put telephone number, clickable, and a footer. You can put almost anything in anywhere. I do try and keep it simpler. But the proof of the pudding is in the eating. And these are some of the things I've built. That's a portion of the front page of one of my sites. And you can see, very simple, white background, excellent introduction to that from the previous speaker. I've done outlines around content boxes. Each of those boxes in the row columns of 4 clicks through to a section of the website, and a series of stylized buttons on the left of the slider. Very simple. And very successful for the customer. This one is actually a really, really simple site, but it's for an equestrian centre, horsing, livery, and they wanted a countryside background. So I just used a picture of the background. I downsized the picture so we're not loading a huge 8 megabit picture every time you use the change pages. And above that, it's got content boxes. And I made the content boxes slightly transparent. I put in a horsey logo, and the header and footer are completely transparent, rather than just being translucent. This one is a work in progress. We're probably not going to stick with all this range of colours here, but you can see, again, we've built up same sort of structure, shadows now behind the boxes, drop shadows, and you can see on the performance management, it hasn't slipped. I've just put a CSS3 transform into it to rotate it slightly. We're not sure whether we're going to use that or not. I'll just put out to try it as a toy. I would be welcome views as to whether it looks good or awful. But it is an interesting way, and if you've got a set of blocks of different content of actually emphasising something. And yes, it is actually responsive. This is another website for chimney sweeps. On the left you can see the standard desktop laptop version. On the right, how it appears on my iPhone. You do need to know a bit of CSS as well to make some of the things change. This will just change the layout to be responsive. There are a few things you need to do to tidy up some of the content and content areas as well, but it's pretty simple. But I don't just use this. I use CSS3 to build in new styles all around in boxes and drop shadows, things like that. All additional styles which are added in, built at the theme stage, and download and upload it into the website. And I don't use thousands of plugins, mainly I just use 3. I use a thing called shortcoder, which allows me to generate my own shortcodes, which I use for styling, so I can have SC event box. I use easy columns, which allows me to style the content into a number of columns. It's very simple, very easy to use. The others are horrible. And I use Max Buttons Pro for creating nice looking buttons. And I use GIMP for image manipulation because I'm a meanie and I don't provide Photoshop. Right. Thank you.